Hello, welcome to Operations Management. In this lecture, I will talk about bottleneck analysis. So, a bottleneck is a slowest operation in a process. Since this slowest operation will slow down the entire process, we call it as a bottleneck. Suppose we have a process. This is operation 1, and then operation 2, operation 3, operation 4, operation 5, operation 6, operation 7, operation 8, and then the output. And products go into these two parallelly. So that's products. So the effective capacity of operation 1 is 18 units per hour. So that means it can process 18 units in an hour. Operation 2 is 15 units per hour. Operation 3 is 16 units per hour. 4 is 17 units per hour. 5 is 15 units per hour, and then 6 is 17 units per hour. 7th operations effective capacity is 20 units per hour, and then for 8 it is 24 units per hour. So what would be the capacity of the entire process? So we are interested in knowing the capacity of the process. So if you see bottleneck is the slowest process. If you see this system has a parallel processing, so these two are parallel processes. So on this side the bottleneck would be 15 units. So from this side, from the upper side, we will get 15 units per hour to operation 7, and at the same time operation 5 will be the bottleneck on the lower side, so that will be 15 units. So we will get 15 more units from the lower side per hour. So the total units that come to operation 7 in an hour is 30 units per hour. So 15 from the upper side and 15 from the lower side. So operation 7 can only process 20 units per hour. So 20 units will go to operation 8. Since it gets only 20 units, even though it has a capability to process 24 units, our output would be 20 units per hour. So the bottleneck, if you see the process, because we have 30 units coming into 7 and it can only process 20 and the output is 20, the bottleneck is operation 7. So if we wanted to improve the capacity of this process, one thing we can do is we can increase the capacity of operation 7. So the question would be, by how much you can increase? So we can increase, so if you see, we can increase operation 7's capacity from 20 because operation 8 has 24 units. We can increase operation 7 to 24 units per hour, so our output will increase to 24 units per hour. So if you increase, suppose if you want to increase operation 7 to 30 units per hour, then the bottleneck would be operation 8, so then also it will give 24 units per hour. So the better strategy would be to increase operation 7 only to 24 units, not more than that or not less than that. So that will help us to improve the capacity of the capacity of the process. So improve operation 7 to 24 units per hour. Otherwise our bottleneck will be operation 8 if we increase above 24 units. So this concludes my lecture on bottleneck. Thank you.